Hello everyone, welcome back to the lecture session. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 8, who is heavier. See here the word itself describe here we are going to compare the weight of the object, right? But when we can see any of the object, we can easily identify the weight, which one is the heavier and which one is the lighter. But this is not true in each and every case. Let's begin it. Here is a gur and groundnut. Gur meant jaggery. Shabnam loved to eat jaggery and groundnuts. One day she bought 1 kg of jaggery and 1 kg of groundnuts. You know that kilogram is the written as kg. Now look at here. Groundnuts look small and gur looks smaller in quantity, right? So यहाँ पे एक question उसको आया, oh, the groundnut looks so much more than the jaggery, but still the weight of both the object is same. Okay, so it is not necessary हमेशा जो ज़्यादा लगे वो वज़न में heavy होता है. It is completely not necessary. Are the groundnuts really more than the jaggery in weight, or do they just look more? Yes, it just look more, but it is not more than the weight of the gur. Now, guess for which of these you need a bigger bag. Okay, 1 kg popcorn or 1 kg sugar. 1 kg popcorn takes more space, so for that you need a bigger bag. 1 kg peas or 1 kg of potatoes. So definitely peas are very small in a size, whereas the potatoes are very big in a size. So for the potato you need a bigger bag. Go to the market and check if you guess it right. अगर आपको ये सही लगता है, go to the market and find out. Next page, page number 144, where you will find out pumpkin tomato panga. Panga matlab ladai. This is the playground where tomatoes comes to play every day. And they love playing on the seesaw. One day Big Pumpkin comes and sit on the one side of the seesaw. When he does not get up for a long time, the tomato decided to sit on the other side and lift the pumpkin up so that he falls off. The little tomato start climbing on the other side, 1, 2, 3, till the 25. Oh, the pumpkin is still sitting and laughing. So the big tomatoes decided to help. The little one gets down and make way for the fat ones. सब उतर गए और मोटे लोगों के लिए जगह बना दी. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 20. Yay, the pumpkin is up in the air. It shouts, bring me down. अभी यहाँ पे मोटे tomatoes आ गए एक साइड पे. See, और pumpkin goes up in the air. So here the weight of the smaller tomato is less than the weight of the fatter tomato. So that easily balance the weight of the pumpkin. Fine. So these things are. So what do we learn from this thing? Whenever the heaviest thing always goes down in the balance, whereas the lighter thing will goes up. This is the basic that we had learned from this story. See, the lighter tomatoes are always in the up motion, right? Whereas the heaviest pumpkin is in the downside. So, look at the next page and we'll move on in the next textbook 115. On the page number 115, we'll find out this. The ant is guessing. How many small tomatoes do you think could lift the pumpkin up? तो more than 20. देखो already यहाँ पे 25 है. Still it is downside. Okay. So more than 40 tomatoes. How many big mangoes can balance the pumpkin? So here is a 1. So most probably 20-25 mangoes रख देंगे, then it will goes up. Now again you have to guess how many pumpkins can be balanced you on the seesaw. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to find out. Okay. Name some of your classmates who you think weight almost the same as you. अगर क्लासमेट्स नहीं है तो आप अपने फ्रेंड्स के नाम लिख सकते हो. इफ़ यू डोंट हैव फ्रेंड्स around you, then you can write down the cousins of your and phone करके पूछ सकते हो. and you can easily compare your weight. fine. more than you, डेफिनेटली आप अपने पेरेंट्स का भी नाम लिख सकते हो, फ्रेंड्स का भी लिख सकते हो, कजन्स का भी लिख सकते हो. राइट डाउन द नेम ऑफ द पर्सन हुज वेट इज मोर देन यू एंड लेस देन यू. You have to write down the name of the person whose weight is less than you. For example, you are 19 kg, right? तो क्या होगा आपके, आपसे कम मतलब 90 से कम मतलब 18, 17 ऐसे. Next, how many books can you lift on the one hand keeping your arm straight? Okay, ऐसे straight arm रख के कितनी books रख सकते हो? Around 5, 6, not more than that. Then afterward, the balance will be disturbed. Look at the next page, page number 116, where you will find out the another activity. Double her weight. Bharti's parents have a different way of celebrating Independence Day because Bharti was born that day. They buy sweets double of Bharti's weight and distributed them among the poor people. Now look at here. Here is a Bharti, newborn Bharti, and the double the weight of this sweet. Dekho, 1 and 2. There are 2 batches. When Bharti was born, she was 3 kg, and today is Independence Day, and Kunjamma is 5 years old, and she is 28 kg now. वो 5 साल में 28 kg की हो गई है. Now guess. Now guess her weight and amount of sweet her parents distributed every Independence Day. Okay, at birth 3 kg है तो 3 plus 3 6 kg. 1 year को 9 kg की हो गई. So 9 plus 9 is 18 kg. 2 years को 13 kg. Why? Because 13 plus 13 is 26. तो यहाँ पे हमने 13 kg लिख दिया. Then here is a 17. 17 plus 17 is 34 kg. Then यहाँ पर देखो. After 13, 4 kg का difference आ रहा है. So here we are going to add 4 and we'll get the 21 kg. So 21 plus 21 is this. Again यहाँ पे देखो difference is 7 kg का. So it's perfectly okay. It depends on the person to person. So 28 plus 20 is 56 kg. तो ये हमने amount of sweets ready कर दिया. You have to complete it by yourself, right? From the video. You can ask your parents how much 2 years old or 4 years old child could weigh. Okay, तो guess your one weight. यहाँ पे आप अपना guess लिखो और find out करो. अपनी मम्मी, मासी, काकी किसी से भी पूछ सकते हो. Okay, they will tell you. Look at the next page, page number 117, where you will find out another activity. Yum yum khichdi. So it's a here is the ingredients of the khichdi has been given, but there is something mismatch in that. So let's begin with this. Vandana heard about a new dish on the radio, and he wants to try make it. When he notes down how to make it, he gets confused. This is what he notes down. Pour 2 spoons of water in the pot. 2 spoons only. Boil the water and add 1 pinch of dal, half kg red chili powder and 1 ball salt. देखो क्या डिश बनती है फिर. Now put a spoon of rice, add 2 pieces and 8 glasses of mustard seed and finally add 1 kg of onion. Mix everything and boil for 15 minutes without water. Within 2 spoons of water, how can they boil? But Sugato feels there is something very wrong in this amount of everything. Help him match the things with their right amount. So here is a 1 kg of rice and half kg of dal. खिचड़ी में दाल खिचड़ी बना रहा है, right? तो दाल राइस पड़ता है. 1 bowl of peas, छोटा सा. 8 glasses of water, which is necessary for boiling. And 2 onions for the tempering. 1 pinch of salt, 1 spoon of mustard seed, again it's used for the tempering, and 2 spoon of red chili powder for the spice purpose. So I think this is the perfect amount of ingredients. Now turn your page, page number 118, where you will find out the another activity. Make a list of things bought at your home. Find out how much of each thing is bought at one time. These things can be rice, oil, chili powder, sugar, milk, onion, ginger, etc. तो basically हमें क्या करना है? You have to list the name of the things. एक साथ में हम कितनी खरीद सकते हैं? So we are Gujaratis and we all are buying the stuff for the 12 months. So chili powder हम most probably 6 kg 7 kg एक साथ में ही ले लेते हैं. Sugar जो monthly लाते हैं तो 2 kg के around होता है. Milk daily लाते हैं तो 500 ml 1 liter. It depends on our use. Onions है तो 5 kg 1 kg. It depends on your use, right? Ginger है तो 250 gram. So this is the way you can make a list by yourself. You have to take the help from your mother and father, and you can write down easily. Even though you can also take the help of your grandparents as well. Now look at the next page 119, where you will find out this guess their weights and match. यहाँ पे आपको मैच करना है और गेस करना है. ठीक है, गेस करना है, मैच करना है. So look at the mango. It is around less than 1 kg, right? ये 1 kg के less हो सकता है, right? If it is a big mango, then the next is a puppy. थोड़ा छोटा न्यूबॉर्न पपी है तो yes of course less than 1 kg होगा. Elephant 400 kg के around हो सकता है because it's a huge animal. The sack of rice, right? तो it is a half sack, so we can easily observe that ये 10 kg का हो सकता है. The cow, it is around 80 kg, and here is a bag, a small little bag, weights around 2 kg के आसपास हो सकता है. So you, according to the size of the object, you can easily guess the weight of it. Now guess which of the following things weighs more than 1 kilogram. Which ones will weigh less than 1 kilogram, right? Your school bag more than 1 kg, definitely. Geometry box is less than 1 kg. A brick is more than 1 kg, बड़ा सा heavy होता है. A big pumpkin more than 1 kg. Your pair of slipper or shoes which is less than 1 kg. हम heavy shoes चप्पल नहीं पहनते. Bring a bangle and a 1 kg weight to a class and check if your guess was correct. Bring a balance and 1 kg weight to class and check if your guesses was right or not. तो ये आप खुद घर पे कर सकते हो. Now turn your page number 120, where you will find out this T. Use your balance to find out which of the following is the heavier. Heavy वाला part balance में हमेशा नीचे जाता है and the lighter part always goes up in the balance. Water bottle or cricket ball. तो बड़ा bottle होगा तो definitely it will goes up. I'm thinking about the bigger bottle right now. So your shoes or your pencil box. The shoes is the heavier than the pencil box. Your maths book or Hindi book. The maths books is always heavier than the Hindi. And your bag or your friend's bag, that you will compare by yourself, right? Next, number E, weight 1 kg of mud or sand, divided equally into 2 bags. Use the balance to check if both the bags have equal weight. Okay, तो यहाँ पे आपको find out करना है. Each bag of mud is the half kg weight. Use it to weight some other things around you. So here we can easily find out when both the weights are equal. The balance is always in a equal level, right? तो देखो यहाँ पे दोनों का weight equal है, इसलिए दोनों equal रख रहा है. कोई ऊपर भी नहीं है, कोई नीचे भी नहीं है. Okay, so these things we have learned from this activity. Make a list of things weighting less than half kg, things weighting more than half kg. Then you have to find out yourself and write down its name. Look at the next page, page number 121. Look for the weights and balances. See, in our day-to-day life, we are using the different kind of balancing, right? Balance machine जो होते हैं. Make a trip to your nearest junk dealer, vegetable shop, and grocery shop. Have a look at the weights they have used. Find out who uses the biggest weight. तो आई थिंक ग्रॉसरी स्टोर वाले हैं, दोज हु आर सेलिंग द बिग sack of grains and pulses. Okay, they are using the bigger balance, right? Who uses the smallest? The vegetable seller, for all the small local grocery shop and these sweet shop, right? They are using the smaller balance. Fine. So you will just take a look around and write down the answer by yourself. Have you seen any of this balance? Yes, definitely I have seen all of this. Okay. And in which shop would you find the following types of weight? Discuss with your friends. 10 kg, 2 kg, 500 grams. Yes, definitely I will find out at the person, those who are selling the cereals and pulses, right? Basically grain shop mein. Fine. And so this is it for this session. Next time we will solve the workbook. Till that, stay at your home, stay safe, stay healthy, keep enjoy learning from the lecture session. Goodbye.